Hi, everybody. I remember when I first started going and sharing the gospel. A guy had taken me under his wing, started discipling me, taught me how to share the gospel using the bridge illustration. And one of the first times that I led somebody to Christ, I was the sergeant of the guard, and I had two privates. One was monitoring the radio, and the other was doing nothing. So I thought, oh, I'll share the gospel with him. Well, it was very awkward to say the least, and the private that I was talking to wasn't the least bit interested. But the next morning, the other private came up to me and said, Sergeant, I did what you told me to do. I said, good. I'm the sergeant. You're a private. You're supposed to do what I tell you. And he said, no, no. I received Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. The guy was eavesdropping and he came to Christ. We have the man or the woman that God uses. We have the method that we use. But then there's the miracle. And we always have to remember that anyone that comes into the kingdom, it's a miracle from God. I love you. God bless you. Acts 17:11.